Hello everyone, I am Mekhala, working as a junior research fellow in the Department of Audiology at All India Institute of Speech and Hearing, Mysuru, India. We conducted a research study as a part of our project. So I am here at the VCCA 2025 to present the results of our small study. The topic of our presentation is the assessment of comorbidity of language, attention, and cognitive deficits in school-going children with central auditory processing disorders. Central auditory processing disorder, as we all know, is a deficit in the processing of auditory stimuli. These children will have difficulty in differentiating between different sounds. Now, the prevalence of CAPD has also increased to 4 to 5% in school-going children. And most of the time, these children with central auditory processing disorder are associated with comorbid conditions such as language impairment, reading disorders, attention deficit, or cognitive deficits. As reported by a study in 2009, it was found that 47% of these children with CAPD usually are associated with language impairment and reading disorders, whereas the rest may be associated with only language impairment or only with reading disorders, or they may have only attention or cognitive deficit. But there are a few a minimum percentage who goes undiagnosed or unnoticed if a proper approach is not considered during the assessment of these children. So hence, in our present study, we included a battery of tests using a multidisciplinary approach. And these tests included screening tests, language tests, attention and cognitive tests, and also a detailed audiological evaluation was done. All these tests were conducted to check for the presence or absence of any other associated problems in these children with CAPD. And the results obtained were actually surprising for us. It was found that children who had a complaint of academic and listening difficulties at school uh, and who are also diagnosed as having central auditory processing disorder did not exhibit any other comorbid conditions. They were having a pure auditory processing disorder. They did not show any language impairment or any other attention or cognitive deficit, but it was a solely central auditory processing disorder. So hence I request you all to please visit my session at the VCCA conference to know about the study in detail. Thank you.